The month of March is finally coming to an end, meaning we get to reflect on 10 of our favorite iOS apps to hit the App Store during the month. Without further ado, let's get started. Next up is a podcast alarm clock that will do just as the name implies. It'll wake you up with the podcast of your choice. It syncs up with Apple Podcasts, which has over 750,000 podcasts to choose from, so your favorite podcast should be there. You can set the snooze duration, you can set the volume, skip the intro ads, and do a bunch more with this app. Slide for Reddit is a feature-packed, open-source, ad-free browser for Reddit. If you're not a fan of the looks of the official Reddit app, I don't blame you. You should check this one out. It features a bunch of customizable options to fine-tune the looks to your liking. Some of the features for Reddit include auto-playing videos in the comments section, support for Imager, Giphy and many other content sites, and offline support. If you like what you see, you might want to check out Slide for Reddit. VSCO is a powerful photo and video editor that offers a ton of different tools and various presets for your content. There's a bunch of photo editing apps out there. It's one of those apps where if you just like the presets you see here, then you might want to just give this app a download. What's also neat about VSCO is that it's updated pretty frequently, and it's one of the more universally loved photo editing apps out there by content creators. So if you like what you see here, you might want to check it out. I'll place a link down below. Towerlands is a tower defense game with strategy and RPG elements. Your goal is really quite simple. It's to defend the castle from enemies and take over new lands. I love the cartoony graphics and the fact that this game will provide hours upon hours of game time. There's 1,000 waves of enemies to beat, 27 units to explore and train, and all sorts of different buildings, artifacts, locations, and so on. Check out Towerlands if you're into tower defense games. Proddy is a new daily planner that helps you track your mood, habits, and productivity. The app is super well designed and easy to understand. You start by building your first habit, select where you want to improve, write down a reason to motivate yourself, and then choose if you want to get reminded about the habit to help you stay on track. You can choose a reward for completing your routine and break your routine down into simple steps. Overall, the app is well designed and it presents information that's easy to understand. CoBase Scan uses AI to accurately read business cards and keep them all organized in this one app. You can easily add notes, tags, and location data about the card that you just scanned. You can even search across all the business cards you have here, and you can export them to your contacts or to other apps like Excel or Outlook. You get 10 cards for free, 50 cards for $3, or an unlimited number of cards for a one-time payment of $15. Missile Command Recharged is a reimagining of the beloved classic Atari game. Players must defend their bases by blasting an endless barrage of missiles hailing from the sky. You can launch counter missiles to protect your base, and you can target power-ups to gain an edge. If you love classic arcade games like I do, I think you'll really enjoy Missile Command. Arrive Package Tracker isn't particularly new, but it's still a great app to have in your arsenal as it does a wonderful job tracking packages. It automatically syncs up with various online retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and eBay, and it supports a slew of delivery companies like UPS, USPS, FedEx, and more. It's super simple, but just super useful, and it beats combing through your emails to find tracking information. Bookshlf Media Worth Sharing. It aims to be a digital version of a real-world bookshelf. You can build your library of your favorite content, which you do by sharing anything with a link, including articles, books, songs, podcasts, videos, and more. So what you do is you find a good article, for example, and you share it to Bookshlf, and then you can choose which shelf or category you want the article to be sent to, and that's really it. What's also neat about this app is the community aspect, where you can see what other people have in their bookshelves. If you're a news junkie like myself, I think you'll really love this app. Bullet League is a new free multiplayer 32 PvP 2D shooter where you play against real human players. It's a battle royale game for mobile with fun cartoony graphics, pretty simple controls, and just some pretty awesome weapons and game modes. Like what you see? Check out Bullet League. With that last one, those are 10 of our favorite iOS apps to hit the App Store during the month of March 2020. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe if you're brand new, and let us know which app is your favorite in a comment down below. As always, I'm BoHD from PhoneDoug.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you right back here in the next one. See ya.